Catalysis. Can you remember what a catalyst does? If so, pause the video, say your answer, and continue to see if you're right. An answer is that a catalyst increases the rate of a chemical reaction. This means that desired products can be made more quickly by using a lower energy pathway. As well, a catalyst is regenerated, so it can be reused over and over again. However, despite these advantages, do you know of any disadvantages to using catalysts? Pause the video, think about this, and continue when ready. You might have said that catalysts can often be expensive, in some cases made of toxic metals, or in the case of a biological catalyst known as an enzyme, it can be very selective about the chemicals it's exposed to and might only work in a narrow temperature range. Often, metal catalysts are used in drug design and ensures that a chemical adopts a particular chirality. Yet enzymes or biological catalysts provide countless examples of being able to fill the same role as a metal catalyst. The key advantage of enzymes are that the reactions can be performed under aqueous conditions and at ambient temperatures. In industry, desulfurization of fuels by catalysis is used to reduce atmospheric sulfur. Can you think why this might be important? Pause and continue when ready. The correct answer is that sulfur, which ends up in the atmosphere, can contribute to acid rain. Therefore, better catalysts are being developed to remove sulfur from fuels to prevent atmospheric issues later. In addition, the development of fuel cells is leading to better electrocatalysis. This is to improve the efficiency of the redox reactions that take place in these fuel cells, so that they don't have to be recharged as often.